Let's get right into it. First, I will be using the Curl Defining Cream by Dark and Lovely. Normally, I use Cantu products, but this time around I decided to give this one a shot. I take a section of hair, lightly finger detangle it, and then I apply the product. It smells really, really good, by the way. One thing that I do, especially when I'm doing this style, is I make sure that I get the product at the very end of my hair because when I do let it out, sometimes it can be very drying to the ends, and keeping the ends moisturized also prevents breakage. Oh my gosh, do you see, let's just take a minute for a second. Do you see how plump and delicious these twists look? Oh my gosh. I also wanted to mention that if you don't have this hair product, you can also try hair oil and water and you can get the same results. Now I'm going to go in with the Jamaican black castor oil, and I love to do this after I'm done twisting. I love to go in and moisturize my scalp because again, like once I do this style, my hair gets very, very dry at the ends and also at the roots, and to prevent breakage, I try to moisturize as much as I possibly can so that it lasts throughout the day. I also go back in and I reapply some of the oil to the ends of the hair. I know, it seems like I'm doing a whole lot right now, but trust me, like it works. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with some small flexi rods and I'm going to use them to curl the twist that I just did. To save myself some time, I usually gather about maybe 2 to 3 twists and I start from the bottom and I work my way up with flexi rods, as you can see here. So I start at the bottom and then I curl upward. I do this on an angle so that I can stretch the hair. Now that that's done, check to make sure that you have no stragglers left behind. And then I'm going to go in with my head tie for the night and tie that bad boy up. In the morning, I noticed that things were still a little damp, so I left them in for an extra hour and a half before taking out the flexi rods. Ooh, yeah, look at those curls. After taking out all the flexi rods, I go back in and I separate the twists, starting from the base and then running my fingers through to the end. So this is what it looks like once I'm finished, and no, I'm not done yet. I'm not satisfied. So I end up going back in again and then separating the strands a little bit more. But I'm very, very gentle because I don't want it to be too frizzy. I still want there to be some kind of definition. Okay, once I'm done all of that, I take an Afro pick and I go in at the ends and I try to fluff it out. And once that's done, I turn myself upside down and I shake myself like a rag doll because I'm crazy. Yes, now we've arrived at the desired look. I am happy with it. I will show you what it looks like outside in natural daylight. Alright guys, and that's it. A quick and easy hairstyle tutorial. Go ahead, give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.